Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our next chapter, A Legend of the Northland. Now this is the poem is written by Phoebe Carey. Now this poem narrates the legend of an old lady who angered Saint Peter because of her greed. कि ये जो पोयम है ये हमें बताती है कि एक ओल्ड लेडी है जिसने सेंट पीटर को अपनी लालच के कारण गुस्सा दिलाया था, नाराज किया था. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट आई रीड द पोयम टू यू, सो ऑल ऑफ यू हैव टू लिसन इट केयरफुली. Away, away in the Northland, where the hours of the day are few, and the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through, where they harness the swift reindeer to the sledges when it snows, and the children looks like bears cub in their funny furry clothes. They tell them a curious story. I don't believe this true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell the tale to you. Once when the god Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it preaching, just as he did he came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. And being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her for her store of cakes to give him a single one. So she made a very little cake, but as it baking lay, she looked at it and thought it seemed too large to give away. Therefore she kneaded another and still a smaller one, but it looked when she turned it over as large as the first had done. Then she took a tiny scarp of dough and rolled it flat and baked it thin as a wafer, but she couldn't part with that. For she said, my cakes that seem too small, when I eat of them myself, are yet too large to give away. So she put them on the shelf. Then good Saint Peter grew angry, for he was hungry and faint, and surely such a woman was enough to provoke a saint. And he said, you are far too selfish to dwell in a human form, to have both food and shelter and fire to keep you warm. Now you shall build as the birds do, and shall get your scanty food by boring and boring and boring all day in the hard dry wood. Then up she went through the chimney, never speaking a word, and out of the top flew a woodpecker, for she was changed to a bird. She had a scarlet cap on her head, and that was left the same, but all the rest of her clothes were burned black as coal in the flame. And every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood, where she lives in the trees till this very day, boring and boring for food. Students, this is a ballad. A ballad is a song narrating a story in short stanza. Ballad एक जो song होता है वो एक story को narrate करता है छोटे छोटे stanzas में. So ballads are a part of folk culture or popular culture and are passed on orally from one generation to next generation. तो जो बैलेड होता है वो फोक कल्चर का एक पार्ट होता है जो पास करते हैं लोग एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन के लिए. तो जो लेजेंड ऑफ द नॉर्थलैंड है ये भी एक बैलेड है. नाउ द समरी ऑफ दैट पोएम इज स्टूडेंट्स दैट लॉन्ग एगो देयर लिव्ड एन ओल्ड लेडी इन नॉर्थलैंड. शी वाज सेल्फिश एंड ग्रीडी. One day Saint Peter, while preaching round the world, reached her door. At that time she was making and baking some cakes. St. Peter was very hungry. He asked the lady to give him just one cake. The old lady then made a small cake, but it seemed to her too big to be given. She made another still smaller, but that too seemed to her to be very big. Now ultimately she made a paper thin cake, still could not part with it. Now this made St. Peter angry. He told her that she was not fit to live in a human form and enjoy food and warmth. His curse turned her into a woodpecker who has to bore in hard, dry wood to get its scanty food. Now the story may or may not be true, but it has a message, not to be greedy and selfish. So students, here you read this poem and try to find the moral of that story and do the things what are good.